Hello everyone. Today I have an update to share. I have completed the welding card. This is the very first time I used the MIG machine, but also it's my first time welding anything. So I was very scared at the first, but I saw a lot of tutorials about the technique, and when I started using it, it it feels very natural and it's so easy to use, and it didn't take any time to get used to it with it. Also, uh, there is still some technique I need to know because in different orientations or the position, I need to use different tricks to weld the two parts together. So it was a great experience, and hope soon I will get used to with it. And once I start working on the actual EV parts, then this practice will help me a lot. So let's uh, let's see the welding card. And uh, in the beginning, I need to say that the welding or the design is not that great, but still it's what I can do at this moment. So hope you will like it and uh, share me your thought. Here is the welding card. Hope you can see it well. So the machine is very cheap gas make machine actually. It's also the original Reliant machine. So that's why I need to pay little more. But still it works really great. So this is the beginner level machine. It's not big one, but it's still great. And I also purchased the uh, auto darkening helmet. That also is a great thing to use because it helps me a lot in the beginning. And here is the cart. It's, as I said, it's a very simple design. Just a few square tube welded together, and with the 3D printer I printed some mounts or holders uh, in here. It's the it holds the wire from the machine, and also there is another hook that I printed for the power line. And these are these uh, PVC boards that I cut to use it for the base, and there it is. And then this is the wheel, the legs. So with 3D printing and some wheels and some nuts, works perfectly. So here it is. So this is the very first thing I completed for the workshop. There is the tabletop. It needs to be sanding. Then I will put it on this frame. And also today I have planned to uh, add the pegboards on the wall. So the pegboards are in here. It's painted, uh, and I will share another video for once I hang all the pegboards on the walls. So stay tuned for next update, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a good time. Peace.